Hi everyone and welcome to fourth tutorial in Fundamentals of ICT series. Today we are going to work with Excel to create a canteen sales data spreadsheet. In this tutorial we will enter data for products, calculate total sales, format values as currency and even visualize the data with a bar chart. Let's get started and learn how to create a professional sales report. Open a Excel and create a blank workbook. Let's say we need columns as month, then snacks, then drinks, fruits, and finally desserts. Let's say the months are Jan, Feb, oh sorry, Feb and March. Let's say the sales for Jan for snacks was 7k, 8k for drinks, 9k for fruits, 5k for desserts. To copy the same for all 3 months, you just have to drag it. That's it. So let's say the snacks sales were down in Feb, fruit sales was down in Jan, and dessert sale was down in March. We have successfully created a random value on which we can work on. So we have entered four products: snacks, drinks, fruits and desserts with the sales for the month of Jan, Feb and March. Next we have to do is add a column showing total sales. On F1, let's give a title as total sales. To do addition of all these four columns, what we have to do is click on F2, go to submissions and present. That's it. Then you have to click on it and drag to apply the same formula for all the other columns. Now to change this into currencies, select all the values, go to currencies and address rupees. So that's it. So we have did three things: created a table, calculated total sales, applied currency values to every value. To insert a bar chart, simply select the data. So what we have to do is create a bar chart to compare sales across the months. So what we are doing is comparing the total sales of 3 months. So what we'll do, only select the 3 months, then go to insert bar chart and select a bar chart. Now what we can do is, here you can see that the labels are 1 2 3. We can't like know what exactly 1 2 3 are if there are multiple values. So what we'll do is click on the label, go to select data, then on the horizontal space, go to edit and select the range. So we have successfully created a bar chart for Jan, Feb and March comparing the sales. Like you can see, for the month Jan, we got 26,000. So this bar is of 26,000. The second chart for Feb is 27, which we have already calculated. Then March is of 26,000. What if we change something right here? Like I did it as 3,000. So you can see the sales of Feb automatically goes down. So this chart is dynamic. To change the chart title, you can just edit it as Canteen Sales. That's it. So next we have to do is highlight the highest values during conditional, using conditional formatting. So let's say I will select these values, go to conditional formatting, highlight values, and we can do multiple kinds of conditions. For example, top 10. So top 10 could be dark green, or you can do is simply select all the values, go to conditional formatting and do top 10% and give it a color as green, let's say. Then again we can give another conditional formatting like bottom 10% and okay. So we have successfully created all the required contains. Next we have to do is save the file, which is again Control S, and the file name could be sales data, and enter. And that's a wrap. You have successfully created a canteen sales data spreadsheet, added totals, formatted values as currency, highlighted the highest sales, and even visualized the data with a bar chart. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the Fundamentals of ICT series. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.